All right, everybody, welcome to our base pullout 2. It's a Hafele base pullout 2, soft closing. Okay, this is the unit right here. It's in a champagne finish. That's the finish that's on here. It's the stainless steel looking powder coated finish, really nice. Notice that this thing is soft closing. Okay, let's try that again. Nice. All right, everything comes pre-drilled as far as on the interior of the cabinet. If you're ordering this from Barker Cabinets, we pre-drill the holes there for the upper mount bracket. And we also pre-drill the holes down on the bottom. A whole bunch of holes in there. So all the brackets will line up real nice and easy, and it's pretty easy to put into play or into the cabinet itself. Now on the front, if you're ordering this from Barker Cabinets, we do not drill that because those mounting holes are outside of our drilling jig standards. Okay, so we did give you the information on that, so you'll have to go through and drill those yourself. Not that hard, just get yourself an 1/8 inch bit and drill where we tell you on the sheet that is included with your order, or you can go on our website and find that. Now notice these shelves, these things are fully adjustable. Pull them up in the back. Only does one hand, sorry. And you can pull them right out. They kind of go back in the same way. Now another nice thing about these shelves is that they have a non-slip coating, okay? It's hard to see it because of the sheen. It's kind of a rubberized coating, really nice. Okay, so stuff's not gonna slip around on there. They're also the same finish. They're the champagne finish and the maple veneer. Now this is maple melamine. I don't think this is gonna be a plywood core. This is just gonna be part of the core, whatever Hafele has on there, so nothing I can do about that. But otherwise, I think it's a really nice product and it's adjustable. A little bit, you can move those shelves up and down, which is pretty cool. Okay. One thing I don't like about this product is that there's a little bit of an upper, you have a lot of space on the upper thing. Now this is good if you're putting oils in, but the highest you can get is, noticing this, I just have it installed. That's the highest I can put this shelf in here, okay? So that's about, let's say it's about 12 inches, roughly, of space. I can't go up higher than this because there is no little flange right there above this, okay? And this is a single opening cabinet. Unfortunately, we can't put it below the drawer because if you notice over here, right here, this bracket, this is the adjustment piece, that sits above it. So we can't offer this in a one drawer base cabinet like you see next to it. It's just gotta be a full opening single door cabinet that we put it inside of. So you can put oils like olive oils and stuff like that, spices, whatever you want. You have a nice, easy time getting into it because you can reach in from above, also over on the sides, which is nice. Bottom one's adjustable too. You see there? You can move that one up or down. Typically you leave that on the bottom, and you move this one up on the bottom or to the very top. So that's pretty much it. Hope you like it. It's a Hafele base pullout number 2.